Welcome this video. Create your dream backyard oasis swimming pool on the side of a hill. Introducing transformer your backyard into a serene and stain oasis is a dream of mean house owner. If you happen to have a hilly to run in your backyard, your present with a unique opportunity to create a one of a king swimming pool that blends shameless with the natural landscape. The beauty of hilly side pool. Hilly side swimming pool often several advantages that make them a popular choice, allowing homeowners to keep both static appear and fantastically. Here are a few key reasons when are were considered. Natural integrated hillside pool, seamless blood when with the natural contour of your landscape create a harmonious and invited atmosphere then can become an integrated part of your backyard rather than an isolation structure. Enhance privacy due to then elevate position hillside pool often more privacy compared to traditional backyard pool. You can enjoy your pool time without feeling exposed to night burn or passerby. Space optimization in symbolic backyard when flat group in limited hillside pool can maximum the use of space by take advantage of soft and inclined then midnight over wanted to using unused design consideration before you do into the project of building a hillside pool. It's essential to consider variant design affected growing, planting it key to create a pool that not only look strange but is also fantastically and soap and gradient the soap for your hillside and its gradient and grant affected a professionally survey can help augment the feasibility of a pool in your choose location and the level of experience required. Main interest and sustainability. A hillside pool, like an other require reject main interest inside it remain soft and beautiful. Here are some main interest type sustained to hillside pool. Landscape prone and maintain the varied area your hillside pool to hence it do not begin outgrowing and subject the view are pond soft healing. Conclusion create a swimming pool on the side of a hill is a design challenger that a year remember result. If not only enhance the aesthetic of your backyard but also allowing you to make the most of a challenger landscape. Its careful plants, perfectly static and ongoing main interest. Your hillside pool can become of focal point of your outdoor living space, often the view and screen.